everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to locate Sainsbury stores and check their hours. So in order to locate Sainsbury store and check their hours using the application, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you go ahead and open up a browser or maybe an app. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same and log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. And the ways to locate the store or nearby store, you have to go ahead and click on store locator from the top left hand side corner, and when you do that, you have to go ahead and press on accept all cookies. Right on this page, you could go ahead and tap on search using my current location, or you could manually enter in the location and just type in the location where you can go ahead and find it and enter the location. When you've entered the following information correct, click the search bar tool and then you should be able to locate the store. And likewise, to check the time and details, you can go to the store detail page, and from there you could go ahead and read all of the information and you should be able to get an idea or a gist of the following store. So that is how you can locate Sainsbury store and check their hours. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.